Hershey, what are you doing? Why are you looking like that? Hershey, what do you want? What do you want? You want to touch you? You want to hug you? But the problem, I'm going to work, and then your fur will come all in my clothes. So I cannot hold you now, later, when I come home, okay? Is it possible? Listen, okay? Listen to mom, okay? Very good. You're so nice. Thank you so much for understanding, okay? Thank you. What's that? Did you hear sounds outside? Was it? Okay, oh my god. She is like a poor little cat. He's begging to hold her and hug her. But the problem, I'm going to work, you know? That's why I cannot hold you now. Is it okay? Okay, say later, baby. Say later. I love you.